What if I told you your toaster could predict your breakfast mood? Or that your phone knows you better than your mum? Let's take a whirlwind tour through the AI-powered gadgets in your daily life. First up, meet your personal assistant. No, not Kevin from the coffee shop. I'm talking about Siri and Google Assistant. These nifty helpers can schedule your meetings, play your favorite tunes, and even tell you bad jokes, all thanks to AI. Moving on, ever noticed how your phone magically suggests replies to texts? That's AI, not telepathy, although the jury's still out on which would be cooler. Predictive texting uses algorithms to guess what you'll type next, saving you precious seconds and sometimes sparing you from embarrassing typos. And it doesn't stop there. Your streaming services, they use AI to figure out if you're more of a rom-com enthusiast or a horror aficionado. Even your online shopping experiences are tailored by AI, analyzing your browsing habits. So next time your phone autocorrects duck to something slightly less family-friendly, just remember, it's all in the name of artificial intelligence. And hey, it keeps things interesting, right?